Hey everyone, I'm in the middle of filming my liquid laundry soap video and I was just cleaning my stick blender and about to put it away, and I thought I would show you how to oil your stick blender. If you've got one like this that breaks in two parts, it's really easy. This stick blender, I've had this since about 2013, so at least 10 years, and I've made hundreds and hundreds of batches of soap with this. It sounded quite sick at some points. I mean, eventually they start to corrode and they get jammed up, they get seized up, and they stop working so well. This was a $10 blender, but I've managed to save it by giving it some oil. So I just wanted to show you what I did and how to do it. If you've got a blender that's all in one piece that you can't pull apart, it might be a little bit tricky. You might obviously make sure you unplug it before you do anything. But if it's a one-piece blender, you might be able to get some oil into the little hole down there. But if you've got one like this, you're probably lucky that you've got a little hole in there, or even just the hole around that shaft. You can probably get some oil down there, because it's this blade turning part in the bottom that's what seizes up. Sometimes these get soaked in water. They shouldn't be soaked in water because the water goes up into there and it can cause them to corrode and they'll seize up. And I think a lot of people throw these things away when they could easily be fixed. So all you need to do this is some machine oil. This is Singer oil, just sewing machine oil, any kind of mineral oil. I think maybe even baby oil might do the trick. You don't really want to use vegetable oil because it will spoil and go rancid and sticky, and some oils like olive oil, that's not a good choice. Use a mineral oil, mineral-based oil if you can, and especially something that's made for machines. That is ideal. So all you want to do is, it's so easy, just put a few drops down in there. You could also probably use like WD-40 would probably also be really good. So just put a few drops in there, give it a bit of a turn around, and then sorry, I've got stuff everywhere here. And then just turn it on and give it a few blasts. Hear that? It sounds perfect. Well, not perfect, it's pretty old, but it sounds a lot better. Like, I've done a video with this ages ago and it was going like sounding like a dolphin. Sounds a lot better now. So that's how you can maintain your stick blender and get probably another 10 years of life out of it. The other thing I'll just say quickly about stick blenders, any kind of kitchen equipment too, is just don't overheat them. I always feel everything, like my blender, my coffee grinder, any equipment that I've got. If I need to do a big load of something or a lot of processing, I always feel the motor. As soon as you start to feel warmth in there, stop and give your equipment a break, because I think I can get a lot of use out of my equipment because I'm aware of how warm they're getting and I don't overheat them. So overheating them is going to damage them as well. Anyway, my blender is all nice and lubricated and happy, and it will continue to work for quite a while now, and I'm probably just going to do this process, every few months now and keep it going for a lot longer. Anyway, just wanted to share that. Hope it helps. Get yourself some Singer oil or something like that, and you'll be able to sort your blender out as well. Thanks everyone. See you again soon. Bye.